I'll tell you why we never caulk a toilet to the floor. Use silicone it. Never use caulk. Only use silicone. Here we go. Jackson, my cameraman, show you. We get the toothpaste tube. I like the squeeze tube. I call it the toothpaste tube. Don't get it mixed up with your toothpaste. That'd be ugly. All right, here we go. And I'm just going to take and I was just talking to a gentleman at the store. The back 3 inches does not get caulked. Your bead should be, get a close-up of this, Jack. Get a close-up. We are just bringing the bead right around. This is going to stop urine from getting under the toilet, because if urine from men or children peeing on the floor, it will create an odor. It will stink. How do you clean under a toilet? So we will run this around the front 90% of the toilet. And it also stops rocking. Don't come knocking. Bubba's rocking on the toilet. All right, we take our finger, and that's rust encapsulator. We just were working on Gordy doing rust encapsulation. Check out that video. And here we go. We take our finger, and we go right around. All right, caulk. Now show them a close-up. Caulk should be, bring it right on in. Are you zoomed in? Yep. Caulk should not be all built up on top. It's in the void. It fills the void, stops water from entering. You barely even see that caulk. Mm-hmm. The only crime that'll be committed here, somebody's going to come in and go, there's water on the floor. They're going to see that shiny film and think there's water. There's water leaking out. No, that's the silicone. It's not water leaking out. So there you have it. Caulking in toilet. No, not caulking, silicone in a toilet to the floor. Now this right here is how your caulk job should not look. This is caulk. Somebody may use latex caulk to seal a toilet. You don't use latex caulk. Okay, it's peeling right off. It didn't even bond. Look at that. What a mess. And then they built it up. Looks like a 3rd grader done it. All right, that's not how to do it. And see that mold and stuff building up on that caulk? Yeah, it's not the way to do it.